Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. And as you can probably see here, I'm still in Thailand. I'm going to do several weeks at a time because it's kind of hard to upload stuff from the jungle. Our internet's a little bit hesitant. So anyways, this week I hope everybody's having a great week. I wanted to talk to you guys about hairballs and cats. So obviously a lot of people have cats and they know that hairballs is a pretty typical thing, but sometimes the vomiting is frequent enough that you're not quite sure if it actually is hairballs. So what to do in those cases and how to tell. Sometimes you can't tell, but obviously longer haired cats or cats that groom excessively will tend to have more hairballs. Basically, cats clean themselves by licking, and during the process they swallow some of that hair. So you can help out to prevent this by routinely brushing your cats. If you brush them very frequently, I would try to brush them every day if you can. Then that will help reduce some of that hair that they pick up. Also, giving hairball food helps that has ingredients in it to help kind of push things through and slick things up. You can also obviously use Laxatone, which is kind of a malt gel that you can either squeeze into their mouth or put a little bit on their paw so that they lick it off when they clean themselves, and that will help to lube up things in the intestines so that the hairballs can move through. It doesn't cause diarrhea or anything, it just kind of adds a little bit of lubrication in the intestines. If you don't have Laxatone, a lot of people just put some Vaseline on the paws, just kind of a big glob on the top of the paw or the wrist, and the cats will lick that off, trying to clean themselves, and ingest it that way as well. That way you're not fighting with your kitty to try and get a big glob of Vaseline in its mouth, which is probably just going to spit out. So those are some things that you can do to try and help with hairballs. But what if your cat just routinely, maybe 2, 3, 4 times a week, just vomits? What to do in that case? Well, that's not normal. A lot of cats do that, but there's usually an issue and a reason for that. So we do recommend that you keep a log of it. Write down exactly the date, the time of day, what is coming out when the vomiting occurs. You know, if it's more than once a day or etc. Keep a little log. And then bring that into us after 2 or 3 weeks of keeping that log, and we'll take a look at it and kind of evaluate it. Probably run some blood tests, maybe some x-rays, and try and figure out and get to the root of the cause and see why the vomiting occurs. Just like in humans, excessive vomiting can lead to irritation in the esophagus and further problems like that. And you know, we want to keep our pets as healthy as possible and prevent issues. So if you have any questions at all, please get a hold of us and bring your kitties or any other animals on into us, and we'll take a look and try and help you along with the process. I hope everybody has a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.